Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to show you how I mix my black paint to do my swipes. I'm going to show you how I mix those. So stick around, and then at the end of the video we're actually going to do a painting. I just want to show you the dried results of the Dutch pour we did. It is so pretty, really pretty. And this blue is metallic, so every now and again you just catch it shimmering, which is very, very pretty. I will be photographing this and putting this in my Etsy shop today. Okay, and then I've just got a canvas here that we're going to paint today. Taped it up, put the push pins in. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so this is normal black paint, any black paint you have. So I'm just going to put some of this in here, like that. And then into that I'm going to put my Floetrol. Now I use Overtrol Floetrol. You can use whatever pouring medium you use. And I mix my paints sort of equal parts paint to Floetrol. I don't measure it, but it's pretty much equal parts. And then into that, we'll first mix that up. You know, get the sides, get the bottom, make sure it's all mixed in properly. Alright, then into that I'm going to add some water to get it to the right consistency. Just add a little bit of water at a time. It's easier to water it down if it's too thick than to thicken it up when you've put too much water. So just add a little bit at a time. Still too thick. That doesn't seem bad. It's running off the stick quite nicely. You probably won't be able to see the mound it's leaving, but it is leaving a slight mound, and it is running off the stick quite easily. I might just add a touch more water, like that. Right, and then into there I add some of my silicone oil. And mix that up. And give that a good mix, because you want the silicone to really be incorporated nicely into that paint. Right, then the other paint is Amsterdam paint. So I just put some of this in here. I put a little bit more because I'm mixing up a batch of this stuff here. Right, and into that we only add in water. And we pretty much just want to get this paint to be the same consistency as the other paint. So we want it to be able to run off the stick in a consistent flow. And then it does leave a little bit of a mound in the cup when it lands. Right, so now all we do is we combine the two. Okay, and then we mix this up, and this is what we use to swipe. Oops, oh, what a mess. Can't take me anyway. There we go. And that is our swipe paint mixed. Right, let me find some paper towel. And then I'm going to put my gloves on and we're going to start doing a painting. Right, I am back. So I mix up, you know, a cup at a time of the paint mixture. I put it in here. It clearly says swipe on it so that I know this is my swipe mixture. And then I just take some out when I do a swipe, because you don't really need a lot. It's just to dip your palette knife in. So I just take some out, just enough to dip the palette knife in. And if there's any left in here after the painting, I pour that back into the mix. Right, let us layer some colors onto the canvas. Now, again, when I swipe in black, I try to put lighter, brighter colors underneath. And when I swipe in white, I put darker, more richer colors underneath. That is just the way I do it. You of course can put whatever colors you want. You could even color code it for a specific room of your house. There's no reason why you can't. But I like to just put random colors. It's just, I like doing it this way. So I'm just putting random colors down. Right, and then I think a little bit of this one, which is a little bit darker, but it just adds a little bit of something different. And then on top of that, I'll put some of my yellow, and I think one more color. I want to put a little bit of silver. There we go. Right. Now, all you do, you dip your palette knife in, remove the excess, and swipe across. And then I keep this on the canvas because it just helps you to cover the edges of your canvas before you tilt it. And then you just wipe your palette knife off, dip it again, and keep going. Okay, right, now I'm going to hit that with a heat gun, and then we can start tilting it. Okay, before we tilt it, we're just going to wet the edges. Just cover the edges with paint. It just helps you to tilt it. Just wetting it now. All of this is going to come off when you tilt it, so you're not going to see any of this. So it's fine. You just take paint and cover the edges like that. Okay, that's fine. Now, let me roll up my sleeves. And let's get started. So to start off with, I'm just going to go from side to side. I'm going to go up and down like that. I'm not going over the edges yet. I'm pretty much just stretching and covering the canvas with the paint before we go over the edges. Wow, that's very cool. Right, let's go over. We'll start down the bottom there and over and bring it back to the middle, down to this side, and over and back to the middle. Turn it around. We're going down to that corner now. And over and back to the middle. And now we can just go down to this last corner. And over. Okay, now just center your paint again. Wow, that's actually very cool. I think my mixture that I made up today was a little bit thinner than how I usually do this white paint, and it's made smaller cells, but I like it. I actually do like it. So just go around now and make sure all your sides are covered, which mine are. That is really cool. Right, I'm going to take my gloves off, and remember, do this next to your painting, not over your painting, because you will drip. Let me bring you in for a close-up. So here it is. Look at that. Like I said, it's got much smaller cells than what I usually get, but really cool. Very pretty colors. Definite lacing, and the lacing of course is from the Amsterdam. The normal black paint with silicone makes the cells, those round ones, that would be from the normal black paint. But the lacing is the Amsterdam, and you can definitely see there's a mixture of lacing and cells, which is what I like. Really cool. Very pretty colors. It's actually, I don't know if you can actually see how bright it really is. Maybe if I put my flash on. It is actually quite bright. So you can see there maybe better with the flash on. It is quite bright. It has some very pretty colors in it, and I like the smaller cells. I mean, I like the big cells. Let me show you one with big cells. Hold on. Okay, there's the big cells that I normally get with my swipes. So quite a difference in those cells, but I do like the one we've just done too. I do. I like the smaller cells also. So yes, happy with that. Everyone, thank you very much for joining me today as we created this really cool painting. Please remember, all paintings created in my channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop. Details to my Etsy shop will be down in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and then right next to the subscribe button is the notification bell. If you click on that, you won't miss my videos. Please leave me a comment, tell me what you think of today's painting, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And that's it, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.